Kevin, pass the sauce.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, Luke, could you pass the other sauce? Thanks. Based off of what we saw at the crime scene, let me show you what we think happened to the bodies.
Top of the morning to you, Sherlock and Watson. Here's your lab.
Good to see you, Oakley.
From what we were able to discern, the bodies were burned using some extreme flame technique. Here's a demonstration of what might have happened to them. The bodies were incinerated. Let me show you what's left of them. These 3 pools of blood were found at the crime scene. This blood was Kevin's, this blood was Matthew's, and this blood was Luke's. We ran them through the government system to identify who they belonged to. Now, these vials of blood look normal to you, don't they?
Of course.
This is a vial of blood taken from presumably a normal human being. This is the blood taken from the crime scene. They look the same, right?
Yes.
Well, on the surface, they are. But when these were tested, it was found that a small trace of animal hormone called Castoreum was found inside of them. Castoreum is an animal hormone which is typically found in beavers.
You believe they were killed by animals?
Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Something about this doesn't add up.
The animals, the weapon, just doesn't make sense.
What? What's this?
When copper sulfate is exposed to a flame, the heat of the flame converts the electrons of the metal ions into excited electrons, which emit energy in the form of visible light.
The next reaction is the gummy bear reaction. This is a combustion reaction. When the gummy bear is dropped into the potassium chlorate, it releases carbon dioxide, water vapor, and leaves behind potassium chloride. This is an exothermic reaction as the flame makes the surroundings hotter.
Lastly, we made fake blood using potassium thiocyanate and iron 3 chloride. The solutions were pre-made, and we combined them together in a beaker to create a substance which is very similar to blood in color. It looks this way because of the iron, which is also a prevalent substance in our red blood cells, which are typically the cells associated with any blood in our body. The mixture of the 2 chemicals creates iron thiocyanate, which is a blood red color due to a weak dissociation of the material. This is the blood found at the scene. These bloods look similar, right?
Indubitably.
What? We found these 3 pools of blood and we collected the samples and put them into these test tubes. This is the blood of friend number 1, this is the blood of friend number 2, and this is the blood of friend number 3.
We could make names.
We'll make names, just not right now.
Are we?
Recording.
You have to walk to them.
Oh.